Announced chief guest, fan of martial arts, Mr. Jayant Reddy, Rotarians, our fellow Rotarians, and other guests. First of all, I want to thank our president for having given me an opportunity to introduce today's chief guest in this Zoom meeting. Reddy ji, first, Namaste ji. It is a Herculean task for me to introduce today's chief guest because he has done documentation of all his awards and achievements in a systematic way. It runs more than 140 pages. To go through itself will take more than 2 days. So our secretary requested me to do the job within 5 minutes, sir. So before I introduce, I want to say pranams, vanakkam to his parents first, because his father, late Vittal Reddy, and also his mother, Srimati Sivamma, for having given an illustrious son to India. He is a great Grandmaster Taekwondo and chairman of International Taekwondo Championship League. His date of birth is 14 December. But if you ask his age, he is just 11 years younger than me. He is, regarding his studies, he has done doctorate PhD in 1982 in American Martial Arts University in USA. He also done MSc in sports medicine with the diploma in acupressure, magnetic therapy in Mumbai. He also done diploma in alternative therapies in Hyderabad. He is qualified in very many fields. He in psychic pranic healing, hypnosis, and self-hypnosis, chi power meditation. So I think because of these qualifications, he is able to achieve so many awards and achievements. I think it is very difficult for me to tell all the things. Let me tell some of the above. I think his first Taekwondo award started in the year 1983, just 37 years before. In 1985, he emerged as National Games champion organized by Indian Olympic Association. So he has created several Guinness World Record, and the first Guinness World Record done in the year 2010. And subsequently, a lot of Guinness World Records, and 12 times he has done Guinness World Record, and it was in 2016. Within just 6 years, he has created 12 world records. And his first Taekwondo championship, he got the award in England, 1998. In 2010, he became gradually increased and he became black belt 8th Dan World Taekwondo in USA. I think it is his achievements. If you tell, it runs. I have seen a lot of his biodata, and it is very fantastic. I can say that Jayant Reddy's memo 90 kicks in 1 minute. It was displayed in the year 1978, and he also done killer kick at Eiffel Tower, Paris, and he has broken 4 cement blocks of 4-inch thickness. He has done great thing. And similarly, he has also created one more world record, that is 171 kicks in 1 minute, another world record. And similarly, he has done beating 5 bricks by chops. Apart from that, he has done several achievements, and he is not only connected with just that world record, Guinness record, but he has also received appreciation from various other quarters also. He has received appreciation letter from Hollywood actor Elizabeth Taylor. For what? Now COVID pandemic is there. In 2008, he has taken one great task to fight against HIV/AIDS pandemics. So he got appreciation letter from Elizabeth Taylor, Hollywood actor. Similarly, he has received so many appreciation letter from Indian Army, Korean Cultural Center, and so on and so forth. He is also brand ambassador for High Range Book of World Records. So there is one team called the High Range team. So he has become brand ambassador. So in this way, if you go through his biodata, you will see a lot of achievement and a lot of letters. And he has done, he has kept his to have his good health and wealth. 10 commandments he always follow. I don't want to read all the 10 commandments. I will tell one or two commandments. He says that I will overcome all world obstacles with defensive demonstration of my body power, my body strength, and body skills. He says, I am always a participant, not a spectator. I am always an action taker, not an action faker. So no magic pills in my material arts. So finally, he says that I will train material arts with the utmost intensity, dedication of self-discipline, and fight for justice. So today we have got a man of martial arts. So with 12 times world record holder and 24 other world records. I think we have brought a very nice person to this August gathering. I wish him to bring many more glories to India and many more younger generation people in his streams. Sir, President, thank you for the opportunity given to me. Let me complete with my best wishes to Jayant Reddy sir. Namaste ji. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, our PP, Mr. KKG Prabhakaran. Before sharing the e-floor with the guest speaker, the secretary's announcement. Mr. Rotarian Balu, sir, you can proceed.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes. Good evening, friends. Tomorrow on 19 September, we have a Rotaract Club installation at Ledito College at 9:30 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Followed by that, we have a one-day RILA program with Rotaract Club of Ledito College from 10:15 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's a District Super 66 project. The speakers are C.R. Swati Loganathan, she's a chartered accountant. Second speaker is Captain Dr. Augustine Samuel Dad, MS of Rotary Kennett Foundation, Madurai. And the third speaker is Dr. Helen Christopher, PhD, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Sri Meenakshi Government College, Madurai. And the fourth speaker is our own member, Professor Rotarian Raja Govindaswamy, Retired Principal, Tyagaraja College, Madurai. It's in Google Meet. The link has been shared in our WhatsApp group. And followed by that, next week, next on Sunday, 20th September, we are distributing Kapasugarat Kudini Churanam and face masks at BB Kulam Ulavar Sandai, time at 7:15 p.m. The chief guest will be Rotarian PDG Patsadi. Same day on Sunday evening at 6 p.m., we have a joint meeting with 10 clubs. The host club is Rotary Club of Madurai, GEMS and Teni Metro Kings. Jointly host a speaker meet as an initiative to create awareness on Alzheimer's for World Alzheimer's Day. It's a Zoom meeting. The host clubs are Rotary Club of Arandangi, Rotary Club of Tiruchirappalli Fort, Rotary Club of Tiruchirappalli Midtown, Rotary Club of Madurai West, Rotary Club of Madurai Northwest, Rotary Club of Madurai Innovators, Rotary Club of Madurai Downtown, Rotary Club of Madurai Elite. And regarding our regular meeting, it will be on 26 September, Friday at 6:30 p.m. It's a Zoom meeting. The speaker will be intimated shortly in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Secretary. And now the e-floor is yours, our guest speaker, Mr. Jayant Reddy Garu. The topic is health and well-being. Yeah, now the floor is yours, sir. Sir, you can unmute yourself.
To be associated and to be a part of your program. Thank you so much. And you might you have read up total almost 15 minutes. I think time is bounded for you. I hope so. I'm now free, no problem. Shall we start a question answers, or we start about the thing? Discussing about health. Shall I start?
First we discuss
Yeah,
this
sir.
and then we go for question answer, sir. First we discuss.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
we start, sir.
Yeah. Ramanand Garu, did you send my videos to all your Rotary members?
No, sir, I keep for you, but after meeting, I want to show it to
Yeah,
all
please,
members.
because in that I have given everything about corona and coronavirus detail, how to strengthen the lungs, how to strengthen the heart, all those things, exercise, 15 minutes exercise we have mentioned, that they have to see it. Because it is now, presently now the session, teaching, of course, if you want to have one program, specific program like heart strengthening or lung strengthening or something like that, breathing exercise or meditation. If you have a separate session any day, I can able to organize for you. But now in this meeting, so I think that video you have to send them everyone so that they will also understand what is involved. Basically, see now presently the hot news is going on is strengthening of your lungs presently. But later stages also everything comes like liver strengthening, heart strengthening, everything is required for the keep your health. I wrote one book. You may be remembered, I think, Secret of Longevity Revealed, how to live 100 to 200 years. In that, I mentioned almost every secret from last 10,000 years onwards, how the people is to live. See, now, human being can live for 1,000 years. Now, no medical science is accepts it. And nobody accepts that 1,000 years. So, I mentioned in that 100 to 200 years, you can live very easily with the modern amenities, whatever your food habits you have and all. So provided there is a system, see every organ functions at a particular specific time. Now I'll tell you, lungs function about 3 to 5 o'clock in the morning, very sensitive. This medical science doesn't know this. This is the secret embedded since a long time, we will not know it. So what I'm saying is, there are so many secrets I have incorporated in my book. If you want, I can send it to all online to all you people, so that you can also read each and every page is very, very important for you all. And the videos also you can see it, so that how to exercise is the more important. You see, now generally people speak theoretically many things, but practically, nothing. So that is why I'm a practical man. I've already achieved and not only Guinness, several awards with the practically doing, since was almost 45 years, I'm doing a rigorous, to reach this stage. So health is my prime important. The longevity is my second prime important, because to maintain very easily health. If you don't take care of it, then again it gets spoiled up. How many people in the Rotary Club just thought of, see, your activities are like morning till evening, you are very, very busy with all your activities of your business and all your offices and all. But anybody thought about the body, which you carry offline? And this is what helps you live longer. But we don't take care of the health because we take it very granted. So that is the most important. Every day, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour out of 24 hours, if you can spend time. Frankly speaking, I'm telling you, really it's amazing results you get it. So disease, not just that come immediately. It's not like fire, it comes directly. Slow by slow, layer by layer grows it. I think medical science, no, but every doctor knows it. Disease, any cancer or anything, any fat, any blockage, it won't come in a day or two. It will be gradually happens it. And that is why we don't know. Once it's happened, if we don't see it, once you go to the doctor, once you are having a problem, chest pain or somewhere, and you go to the doctor somewhere, your blockage is there. So after the cause only you will go. But the effect, what you are doing it, we don't care. So this is the biggest problem. That is why 30 minutes to 1 hour program, I will send you a series of videos. I have 12 videos. Every organ, specific organ, we have it. This particular one, corona and lung strengthening and heart strengthening exercise, which is 15 minutes exercise. Of course, little tougher. There are those who are aged people can do eliminate certain exercise which you are not able to do it. There are easy exercises. Where breathe in. I'll tell you one example in that video. I have mentioned it. Breathe in, go for a walk for 5 steps or 10 steps, and breathe out for 10 steps. So these are simple exercises we have it. Jogging also like that. Breathe in, jog for 10 steps, 15 steps, 20 steps according to the capacity like that, you know. There are so many items I have it, some 20, 25 exercises in that we have mentioned in the video. I think Ramanathan will send it to you detailedly. That is more important, you know. Every day you have to see, we clean your teeth. Brushing it is important every day morning. Taking bath is very important. All those things are very important. Why not health? Why not the whole body? This is your body, inner organs. How to exercise inner organs? There are specific exercises, the breathing exercise we have, it's healing sounds we have also. So along with that, physical exercise also helps your inner organs to be centered. So this is the most important. Generally, we take it ignorant because we don't take care much. When the problem comes, we'll take care. Like suppose vehicle is there, when it is punctured, you repair. Any problem with the clutch in the engine, you will repair. Otherwise, you don't take it. But that is suddenly stops it. But whereas here, it gradually, it will develop your inconvenience. Disease is formed from ease to a disease. Prefix will add on from ease to a disease. It will take a lot of time. And you are not known it. So that is why the day one onwards, you have to start little walking, little breathing. What all exercise should be done, I will send you videos. This one video, I already sent it. Some other videos we have it. Some, exercises videos. I'll send you some more videos so that, you know, just see it and learn all those exercises. And I think if you can able to develop your, every day regularly, I think nothing but beats us. So the prime is that the most important, what I was studied, you know, I met thousands of people, 100+ years. What they say, somebody says, you have to, food is the most important. Don't eat fatty food. Don't eat this, that. See, once certain age, like, you know, once you are grown like 35, 40 pace, then fat has to be reduced naturally. Non-vegetarian has to be reduced naturally. So there are, when age permits, you can, you know, accordingly you can eat. But when it doesn't permit, like, you know, if you are uncomfortable with overweight, so why you are eating a fat, I don't understand. So this most important, they are blind in that. The most important is once you have to check it out weight, check it out your system, once you are 40 years, you need to check it out your BP, check it out your sugar level, you check it up your whole health package. Once you go to that, you know where you are standing it. So accordingly, then develop that particular. Suppose if you have a sugar, you have a BP, you have some blockage in the heart. So why don't you work out on it and eat food which is only applicable? Otherwise, you are damaging more. It's like it's a fire. You are putting oil over it or petrol over the fire. It burns again. So this is where, you know, we have to understand the most important is you don't take care of it. We should take care of the health is the most important, you know. Many people say health is wealth. Nobody understand it. Wealth is wealth. You know, when you are hospitalized, when you are spending half of the money, all the money you are earning for the years together, and you are aged for 60, 70 or in the hospital, all the money you have to be spent totally 50% of the amount is. Now, recently one seminar being conducted, one of the IT companies, they said save money for your health. Because once you are sick, you are hospitalized, you have to spend this money, otherwise problem. So everybody is speaking like that. They don't say that, you know, why don't you make it a healthy body? Why don't you live for a longer time, 100+ years? Why don't you strengthen ourselves? Why don't you address your disease every now and then, every day? The food which is poisonous to health, why don't you eat? Why you are eating that? You have to stop that food. If it is a dangerous to your health, because your addiction, no. See, liquor, cigarette, drugs, all are one of part of addiction, you know. Once you are addicted, then how to quit? There is again system is there, how to quit. Then there should be a limitation for that, you know. Say recently one of the chain smoker from 20 years is smoking. I stopped him. I reduced the cigarette for gradually. Then I taught them breathing exercise. I made him to jog and run and lot of sounds, lung sounds. At that too, particularly 4:30 to 5 o'clock, I used to make them because 3 to 5 o'clock is very sensitive to the lungs time. This is proved one. Proved one in sense is not scientifically proved, but the tradition is going on. Since the tradition is going on, And most of the grandmasters, most of the longevity people, like 100+ years, all are doing this. I met several people, thousands of people I met. They spoke so many secrets. What is the secret of that? What is the secret of your longevity? All 100+ years, 100+, 106, 108, 110, 112, all these 102, 101. Recently, I taught a 100 years man reached, the birthday. I went there. I taught him some of the exercise for him. So 94 years old women, when I was running for a Cyprus run, AIDS run, for fitness and AIDS run. So there I met one lady who want to live longer. So I taught him some sounds and all. She survived. And she's still practicing. She's 100+ now, 102. Last 8 years back I met. So all these things, it is not a difficult thing to control your health. Once you are affected it, once you spoil it, then again medical science has to be addressed. Doctors have to be involved in that. And the whole system has to be again steady about it. Like a building had got crack. Building had got some crack. So you have to study, all engineers have to come and set right that building. So somewhere, see, paint is gone. You have to get it painted. You understand? Light has gone. So engineer has to work out. Electrical engineer comes and, fix it. So what I'm saying is, now health, also the same thing. So prevention, I always say that the best thing than the cure. But you have to work it out every day, 30 minutes to 1 hour. You should longer time. You cannot spend 3 hours, 4 hours. It's a waste. You are a sports person. If you are a sports person, if you want to end participating in Olympics and World Championship, International, Guinness World, something like that, then working out is different. 4 hours to 8 hours working out. So I teach them, all aged people, 70+ each people. I've taught in Europe. I taught in America. I taught in here Hong Kong. So I told them the specific, they don't have any aim, but only thing they want to live longer. That's all. Enough. So half an hour to 30 minutes to 1 hour is sufficient for you all to spend, to make your ligament strengthen, organ strengthen, little muscle strengthen. All these things makes you a lot of difference in your daily life. See, initially spending time is maybe harder. Don't worry. So maybe you start from today, maybe 3 days a week you may doing. Don't worry. 3 days, next week, 4 days. Like that, slowly, 7 days a week, you'll reach by another one, within 1 month or 2 months, you'll take 30 minutes. I don't think you have a problem reaching, doing exercises, breathing exercise, 10 minutes and 20 minutes exercise. That's what once you see these videos, and if you can, send me a reminder call, then other videos also send it. So, slightly, you can, start learning into all those things. If you can, very simple exercise makes you a wonderful results. Very, 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 healthy exercises, So these are the most important thing. Generally, I always say wherever I go, whichever the function I call, whichever the, university call me, colleges, for the lecture and all, about the health and all. I used to speak about that, do you promise yourself once that I will do it at least 4 days a week? Okay, start from 4 days a week. Something will changes in you. Initially, it may be a little painful, but it's joyful. For me, if I don't exercise 1 hour or 2 hours, I feel uncomfortable. The whole day is uncomfortable for me. This is what I made myself in addiction. You are addicted to this. The most important. How you are addicted to taking bath, how you are addicted to eating breakfast and lunch and dinner, all those things. Hunger started. Body is also asking for you to strengthen it. Why you are? What is the God wish? To live longer. The life he has given to the one being is the last and final discovery of the God. And we are not following his wish. 1,000 years body. I have written in my book, 767 years one man lived, with the names I have spent it. 234 years, recently, 19th century died. 237. This is not a difficult thing. When I'm speaking, maybe you feel that how it's possible. No medical science accepts and all. See, one of the TV and here one of the radio channel also asking me. I said, when I mentioned this 100 to 200 years, nobody believes that. Okay, till I live, I think, they don't believe it. No problem. I live and show them that that's the only solution I have it at present. So, but don't worry about it. At least 100 years, very, very easy to live it. Only thing is, you have to address it. Addressing, suppose you have this problem, Address it. What is the food is restricted? What is the food should be followed? What is the exercise should be followed? Which are the timings you have to do it? All those things, the systematic. See, once you are any problem in a vehicle, any problem in the house, any problem anywhere in the world, where you'll go, where is the effect, you'll go there. There only catch. You understand? When the puncture is there, you don't repair engine. You don't go to the mechanic shop and get it repaired in engine. Engine is okay, but only puncture is there. Only puncture you have to get it on. So the same thing. If you have a problem with one particular organ, particular health problem, anywhere, a specific thing, you have to address it, then get it done. This is the only way how to solve the health issue of the whole human beings of the world. So this is the main important. Generally, people ignore it. Ignore in sense, they take it very lightly because if you don't do it, what happens? I'm eating medicine. Nobody insists that you have to do exercise. This problem is international United Nations organization. There is one system. Every school PT period, if it doesn't have, school should be banned, should be debarred, should be totally eliminated from the particular city or state and country. This is where the guidance is there in the amendments. Why? Because children's mind also like a elastic and plastic. Like a muscle, how you develop it, muscles, mind also it's the same. The same thing, they need to be fit. Otherwise, the body adjusts, what happened? Addiction. You have to go for that, some joy they want. What is that joy? Something addiction, wrong addiction, drugs, cigarette and all. So for that, to overcome that, and this exercise is the most prime important for the children. Also, they mention schools, colleges, universities also. That's why university games, they have it, college games, school games, competition also, they kept it sports. Why? Only because of that. The reason is because to make the fit. Otherwise, the whole world would have destroyed it. 50 years is the last age people can live in without exercise. You understand? With food alone, nothing. I was arguing with a nutritional expert from World Health Organization. I talked to them. I said, nutrition alone cannot do it. I'm telling you, I can write and give you. You have to be substitute tailored with your exercises. Breathing exercise we have, healing sounds we have, physical exercise. There are 3 big departments. Healing sounds means like home, I would say, like that we have organ sound, specific organ, specific sound. Every organ has a different sound. That only impact on the particular, that sound, if you sound, that organ gets charged up. And particular posture. I'll send you all the videos so that you can study that. And breathing exercise, we have to breathe control, breathe and walk for 10 steps. Breathe out again, walk for 10 steps. Like that, we have a lungs and heart centering exercise also in that mention, So several exercises, breathing exercise, healing sounds and physical exercise. These 3 departments are the most important for making you longer years to live. 100 to 200 years you can able to maintain. Only thing is, first of all, you have to identify where you stand. Suppose you are standing at this problem, these problems, 3 problems you have it. 3 problems you have to address it. Elimination or lifelong disease. Lifelong disease, you have to control it. How to control? There should be a food as well as exercise. And specific times. You have to maintain, suppose you are supposed to do at 6 o'clock in the evening, you are not getting a time for 7 o'clock, you reach, no problem, 7 o'clock you start doing. So this is the way how to control. This is more important, otherwise you'll miss it. Once you miss it, it's gone. We are hunting for the property, family, this, that, and all. Everything is not going to come with you. Only come with you is your body. You are alive, all this, everything you can enjoy. All is yours. Otherwise, not. You are a tenant of this planet. You are a tenant of the one day you have to vacate it. You understand? No relatives, no friends, no family, no, nothing else. Everyone is to be selfish in this land. I always say selfish in a good sense. Selfish in sense, be yourself and selfish. Think of selfish that I have to do the exercise. Yes, I've done for half an hour. Okay, good. 1 hour, good. Something like that, you have to maintain that. Otherwise, very, very difficult to eradicate all this uncomfortable disease. Very difficult unless you exercise yourself. That's more important. So, thank you so much. And any questions on this regard, and I will be ready to answer. There are 4 books are coming out. One is the Dynamic Power of Mind, and health book also. One more, volume 2 also is coming. Ramanathan, so thank you so much. And any questions on this regard, we will have an answer, because you have taken a lot of time for my reading by biodata. So tell me. Very nice meeting you all, aged people, 70 plus and 60 plus, members of Rotary, a prestigious organization. You have wonderful people. Why don't you make this opportunity as a golden opportunity? Let them live for 100. And I want to see that at least Madurai Rotary decided to live for 100 years. Okay, now I'll help you out. Every research material I'll send it to you. All exercises I'll send it to you. Why don't you do it? Very easy exercise. It's not so hard.
Good. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
Ramanan.
thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the wonderful presentation. Now the question and answer session.
So first,
Yes.
I asked my question first.
Please,
You
please.
advise people to take veg food or non-vegetarian food? About
No,
food
no,
habits.
no. Let's see, non-veg, I'll tell you. Non-veg, suppose if you have a blockage in the heart, if you have uncomfortable lungs problem, you need non-vegetarian. That is, red meat is very dangerous. Again, white meat is okay. Fish is very, very good for all the age people, even 70, 80. Even though if you have a heart problem, don't worry. Even though if you have a cancer, no problem. But fish is the only common. Chicken, if you have a blockage, 80%, then I think chicken also be reduced, And oil, generally oil is, again, there are different oils coming, Olive oil is the best oil, which is generally uses for, good. So, that is again, ghee, the fatty food always, milk products like butter and, cheese, all this again, problem. So non-vegetarian, I think red meat is always dangerous. Only for the people advising it now International Olympic Committee is also saying, World Health Organization is saying, red meat is good for the sports person. Why? Because they burn 5,000 calories every day. Every day 5,000 calories they burn because they need energy. They need all the fat food. Fat food is nothing but the most calorie food that is. Don't think that the calorie is a bad food. It's a calorie food. Calorie means a lot of calories required for the food. Butter is very good for the sports person. We used to eat a lot of butter because we burn thousands of calories. So for the people, aged people, just for doing 30 minutes to half an hour, butter is not required. Cheese is not required. Red meat is not required. Take it out, all these things. So light food. Vegetable is very, very good. Because now some are non-vegetarian is there. Okay, you can eat fish and you can eat this chicken is okay. Again, prawn is also calorie. The most calorie food, that is also prawn is also not as good, So try to that also. If you have a heart problem, this thing prawn is I don't think it's going to help you out, problem. So preferred light food is always a good quantity. You have hunger, quantity you eat quantity, no problem. But try to see that the less fat, more quantity, no problem. More fat, again dangerous. Even little also dangerous. So that's what I'm saying, But after eating food, generally what happens? People see TV. No, very dangerous again. It is research in the World Health Organization. Seeing a TV and eating food will damage your organs. That is there in the World Health Organization. They are not coming out with research. Don't see the TV because seeing a TV with the emotions you see. You don't see just like that. See with the emotion. You can hear the music. Music is very good. Ears, not the eyes. When you see eyes, your emotions are acting it. Your feelings are acting it. That feeling when you're eating food, body is also, the digestion system also start working. There should be a contradict in that. Contradict. And health problem issues comes. Longevity come down the lowest level. So that is there in the World Health Organization. So that's why there are several things, So, music is very good. And the people who are having a specific disease, they have to know which serials you have to see. I have mentioned in my book, the people who are on a lungs problem, they should be a comedy serials. Comedy serials very good when they have a lungs problem. Like TB, like Corona, like any other lungs related problems, they have to see comedy shows, so that, you feel joy. Sadness again damages. So there are emotions also, therapeutic emotion. I mean, therapeutic also with the emotions. That is why you have to control that also. That is why most of the day, people start eating after that immediately just lie down. That also very dangerous. Just for 5 minutes. How much time you have taken? About 10 minutes you have taken eating, or 20 minutes you are eating. 10 minutes walking is required. Half of the time for you spend for your just walk. Just walk. Now recently I read one article in International Olympic Committee. There's a research. After eating food, do a simple exercise. After eating food immediately, immune system increases, it seems. Immune system increases by after doing a light exercise, like, suppose you want to do it, extend the hand, like, just like this, like that, little, half only, like knee raising half, simple. So that also they research. But of course, aged people, I don't prefer it. Just walk is enough. Just simple walk. If you are not able to walk, at least take help of this thing and walk. But don't lie down after eating food immediately. 10 minutes you are eaten, 5 minutes you spend for your exercise, like walking, moving here and there. That will make you. So that's the most important. Okay, Ramanathan, next. Ramanathan, you are there? Any other question from anyone?
Yeah, any other questions?
Hello?
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Any other question from anyone?
Mr. President, do you take a question from a guest too? I am a guest today.
Pardon?
Yes, you can ask. Welcome, sir. You can ask.
Yes.
Sir, I don't want to mean cynical at all. Far from it. You see, you have made most of us rewrite our Jadagam. The average life expectancy is something like 80 years. I would be happy if I'm able to live up to 80. Now, the point I would like to raise is, you laid a lot of emphasis on doing exercise for half an hour. But I would like to tell you that maybe 50% of the crowd here are already doing this. Now, with half an hour of exercise, what we are doing, can we rewrite to an extent from 80 to 180, or something different from what we are doing is something going to be recommended by you, sir? Do I convey my point? Many of us are doing half an hour or more exercise already. Is there something else specially required to enhance our expectancy from 80 to 120?
For aged 80 plus, I think breathing exercise, simple walking, simple just bending here, there's ligaments exercise, knee bending, small exercise where your ligaments should not becomes very stiffy. Elbow should not be stiffy, shoulder should not be stiffy, neck should not be stiffy, back should not be little, and the simple walking, breathing exercise, healing sounds, and the must. And simple walking, no problem. Daily 1,000 steps is 1 kilometer. 1,000 steps. So that is the most important for 80 plus. You have seen the people who are on a marathon, they are doing it. But they are in a regular practicing, So for 80 plus, no worry at all. But even then, you have to work it out, walking and breathing exercise, that sounds, you have to do it. Otherwise, very difficult to be, control, because that age is faster catching up diseases. Wherever it is that it catches, little uncomfortable, little coldy outside, you'll get a cold. You understand?
Oh, yes.
That is
Thank
why try to understand that. And food also, just after eating food, just for 5 minutes or 6 minutes, just for a walk, simple walk, important. If you're not able to walk, at least 3 minutes, okay, no problem, 3 minutes. Start from 3 minutes today. Tomorrow, increase half a minute. Slowly reach the 5 minutes. 1 week or 10 days.
Points are well taken, sir. I think your point is well taken. I will be more positive about this and live longer. Thank you.
And in case if you are not able to even walk also, at least 5 minutes, at least 2 minutes, at least do something. There is one electronic machines are coming, vibrations, vibration machines, body on. At least do that, at least for 1 minute. That also at least acupressure points, it pins it, and connected organ are connected to this particular point, for the body. From there, acupressure point impulses in. That impulses passes to a particular organ, and it gets warming up that particular organ, So that also most body. Even I was asked by a 91-year-old one man, so sir, I can't even walk, I cannot even do anything, So is there any other thing, I said, okay, do one thing, slowly strengthen your by vibration machine and the massaging machine. Then slowly, even legs also started, Then stand for at least 1 minute. After that, you lie down, no problem. So, yeah, 1 minute only workout for you for 10 days, I said. After that, 2 steps or 3 steps or 5 steps for at least within 1 minute. How many steps you do it? Go back, go back, 1 minute only. Then slowly, he is doing 2 kilometers today.
That's nice.
6 months, 6 months, 6 months. So can't even walk for he has all problems, ligament problem, knee problem, back problem. So all those things, slowly, body is get older with the mind, not with the body itself. Body, if you train it, you will become stronger. Simply, I have trained all the doctors, most of the doctors, 70 years old. JNTU here in Andhra Pradesh, he is a professor, he is a chairman of that particular sports medicine, and he had a problem, knee problem, back problem, he had it. I healed him, I told him, Jayant, I all studied theory, but you are a practical man, you are a gem out of an expert. So I want to take your advice. I taught him all exercises. And today, he will do it a lot of exercises. And he strengthened himself. How it's possible? Medical science in that, it is only mentioned that once you are older, once your ligaments are this thing, once your knee, problem, then they restrict for walking, restrict or jogging, restrict or free exercise and all. They started saying and all. But I say, exercise therapy and sports medicine, it's against it. And you see it, I've seen it. I've seen the people. You give me any age people, 80 years, within 6 months, I'll make him a run. I'll make him a run. So this is a challenge. I've done it with all Europeans and of them without. Because you see, this science, if you go to a doctor, he will say, okay, doctor says, okay, don't do this, again damages. If you know the science of this sports medicine science, then you will easily able to overcome all these problems,
Yeah.
So that is why addressing is the most important. Where is the problem? Back problem, then address it. Every day, 1 minute. No problem. Half a minute, 30 minutes, 30 seconds you have time. Every day, 30 seconds you do it for 1 to 2 days. You will, body says that I want to do 1 more minute. 1 minute you will do it. Slowly, body accept it, then it will reach it. I'm not asking you to do it half a minute, 30 minutes at 1 day. No. Your 3 minutes you do it. After 30 days you increase, or after 60 days you increase to 30 minutes. No problem. But every day addressing is the most important. That is more.
Thank you, sir. One more last question.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, anybody have question?
Not able to hear.
Hello?
Hello. Not able to hear. What is it?
Yeah.
Daily yoga is enough for doing exercise?
Very, very good. Why? Surya Namaskar, you add in Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar 20 times you add in that. Enough.
Oh.
But I have a specific exercise also. I have sent to Ramanathan specific lungs in the heart. So that also you carry on. Maybe 15 minutes workout is there. In that 15 times, 20 times like that. Maybe 5 times and all. Yoga, you do it. Along with that, this exercise also add on. And you see that how much faster you develop it. Yoga, okay. It will develop.
Sir, this front stage is 72, sir.
Pardon?
The question was asked by my friend, age is 72.
72, yes.
Yes. So do you advise 22 times Surya Namaskar?
Advice for yoga, yeah. Why not?
No. How many times Surya Namaskar? Surya Namaskar.
No. Sir.
Surya Namaskaras, I think the posters which is there, I don't think they can able to do it. Initially, they need to develop little raising a knee, little hands rotation, little bending, all those things, preparatory exercises. before going to Surya Namaskara,
That
you
is
need a
correct,
little bend. There are posters in the Surya Namaskaras. On the posters, like, you know, the back bending is there. Just do like this, half only. Half or just do a half quarter. 10% of that, you know, slowly, then you will reach that by each and asana, you will easily able to do it. But it take time. Maybe 4 months, 5 months it will take for this thing, you know. But do the movements, you know, 1, 2 like this, one leg, standing only just one leg out. You understand? All those things, you know. That's all. And remaining other things, slowly walking and stepping, like staircase, no staircase. One floor. Hold the hand, hold the side railing, then climb up slowly, get down. Then strengthen it all. Your ligament strengthen, ankle strengthen, everything is strengthen. Then slowly, body will start listening to you. Then you can work it out.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a wonderful speech, a wonderful presentation. I will show the video. I will post the video in the Rotary group.
Please. I'm sending you now. I'm sending in 5 minutes. I'll send you another 3 videos also.
Okay.
And watch whichever the age people, okay, don't do it the harder exercise, which is able to do it, that only do it. Breathing exercise. Suppose they can't even walk for breathing, they can even sit and breathe in control. Breathe in control for 5 seconds. Breathe out 5 seconds. Control. Breathe out and control for 5 seconds. Breathe in, control. Breathe out, control. Even after that, then slowly you can do it. All those things. Okay. Everything is there in that. And again, I'll send you the 3 videos also. With that also do it. But prime important is they have to live longer, disease free. They have to live. Then when you want to live without disease, where is the disease first to find out? Take it out, the disease out first. Then strengthen your each and every organ systematically. Then daily routine you put it every day. You schedule you put it. 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes onwards you start. 5 minutes no problem. But every day. So this slowly increases. Body started accustomed. Then it will start developing it. Body supports you. Body is not against you. It won't want to die earlier until unless it responds to you. It will give you an indication. Yes, this is the problem. Why don't you set right yourself? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you for a
thank you,
wonderful
sir.
speech, sir. Wonderful speech. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and God bless you, Ramanathan, giving the
Thank you.
opportunity. All the routine and 70 plus people are all attended, you know, and very nice. I'm very proud that at least you have taken initiation. You know, God help those who help themselves. They said one word. It's there, one proverb, and nobody understood that one. God help those who help themselves means you have to help themselves, but you have to set right your body. That is the most important. Help means not just property or some other else. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I want to thank Dr. Karnagaran for bringing you for the meeting, sir. Thank you, Karnagaran.
Thank you so much, Ramadan.
Okay.
And good day. I'll
Yeah,
send the
thank you,
videos
sir.
also. Please pass.
Okay,
And,
thank you. Over to you, sir.
President, vote of thanks by Ramanathan, right?
Ramanathan is not here.
It's not there. Right?
Okay.
Can you furnish?
Hey,
Could you please furnish?
you proceed, Siva. You please
Sorry?
proceed. You please proceed with the vote of thanks.
Okay. Thank you for your wonderful speech, Mr. Jayant Reddy Garu.
Thank you so much.
And
Pleasure.
see, today's important thing is maintaining our body. It's a more important thing, particularly after the COVID pandemic. Everybody is
Yes.
concentrating on yoga as
Yes.
well as doing exercise. So everybody is concentrating, particularly breathing exercise, like Sahaja Samadhi Yoga or Surya Namaskar, or like that. But our take home, one important take home from your speech is our body controls our mind, right? So it's a wonderful evening. So thanks for your valid advices to us. Thank you so much. Thank you, President, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Okay. Now the meeting is adjourned. Thank you.